Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shiny and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be cooking spaghetti. I know I haven't been on here in a minute, but forgive me. I'm going to try to do a better job. I haven't been posting at all and that is very bad, but we're going to try to fix that today. I'm going to try to figure out some videos I could do and stuff like that. But to begin with this new beginning that I'm gonna, anyways, to begin with this new beginning, I'm just gonna be making spaghetti. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. If you are not new to this channel, welcome back, and I'm back. So I kind of prepped up everything or whatever, and I'm gonna be making garlic knots and spaghetti. And I actually wanted to add some corn on the cob because I don't know why, but I love corn on the cob with my spaghetti. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the spaghetti noodles on the stove so they can boil. So I'm gonna start with the spaghetti noodles. I ain't gonna put the noodles in there. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till the water start boiling and then put the noodles in there. I think I'm gonna put the garlic knots in the oven once like my spaghetti almost done, because them probably don't cook fast. You know, it's bread. I want to see how they look though. I never had these before. So I had garlic knots before, but I never had like these. I don't think. But they look good. So I'm gonna suggest them boys. But yeah, the water is boiling or whatever. So I guess I'm gonna get back to y'all once the water is done, and I'm gonna put the spaghetti noodles inside of the water. All right, y'all, so now that the water for the spaghetti noodles is kind of trying to boil a little bit, I'm gonna just go ahead and put the noodles inside of the pot. Let's see if I can y'all see? And y'all already washed my hands a long time ago, so. And I'm just gonna let them cook for a little minute. I'm finna go ahead and start on the ground beef. I'm finna go ahead and season this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and season my ground beef up so it'll be ready when my noodles are done. I didn't even tell y'all what I'm putting on it. I had put garlic powder, paprika, adobo, whatever it's called, parsley, and then I put the complete seasoning, and then onion powder too, and then Creole seasoning. Now I'm just gonna chop this up, start cooking this. So I'm just gonna let that cook. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of grease in my pasta so the pasta won't stick together. Don't put too much, put enough. I'm also cooking corn, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my corn out, the one that I'm using. I'm gonna just do it like that. And then I'm gonna put it in my pot. So I put my water and my corn in the pot, and I'm just gonna let that sit there. I'm gonna start cooking that. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in my ground beef. Not too much, but just enough. Okay, now so I'm about to get ready and put my garlic knots in the oven. So I'm put like a bit. Yeah, I'm put 4. No, I put. This keeps slipping. Yeah, I'm just gonna put 4. Now I'm gonna put these in the oven. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make my spaghetti sauce. So I put my spaghetti sauce right here. I can really put this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump my ground beef into my spaghetti sauce. I'm gonna put my spaghetti noodles in my drainer so I can drain all the water out because my noodles are done. Then I'm just gonna place them back inside of the same pot. I'm about to season my spaghetti sauce. All right, now I am about to pour my spaghetti sauce and my ground beef into my noodles. And here is the finished touches, y'all. Got that garlic bread, that corn, and that spaghetti. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I cannot wait to eat. Yeah, I'm finna eat. I'm finna go ahead and eat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see more cooking videos with Shiny B, like this video. And yeah, guys, I'll see y'all next video.
Breakfast in shadow. And I'll be worried about him next time you know the truth. I think it's just meant for you.